Hello students, welcome to Marvel Math. In this video I am going to explain the concept of algebraic limit using rationalization method. This is under algebraic limit type and this is type number 4. The given question is limit x approaches 0, root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x. If you directly substitute x equal to 0, this is root of 1 plus 0 minus 1 by 0, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 0. It is 0 by 0 by 0 form, 0 by 0 form. Then factorization is not possible because here square root. Whenever an expression contains square root or cube root, if it is irrational values, power is that is rational powers, always apply the method of conjugate. So which is equal to limit x approaches 0, root of 1 plus x into, what is the conjugate of this? Conjugate of this is root of 1 plus x plus 1 by root of 1 plus x plus 1. So what is the next step? Limit x approaches 0. What is the numerator? A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So what is a square? Root of 1 plus x minus b by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1, which is equal to limit x approaches 0, 1 plus x minus 1 by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1, 1 cancel. Limit x approaches 0, x by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1. Simplify further, again x gets cancelled. So limit x approaches 0, 1 by root of 1 plus x plus 1. Now direct substitution. If you directly substitute this value, 1 by 1 plus 1, the answer is 1 by 2. So whenever either numerator or denominator has irrational expression, and that is with square root or cube root, multiply and divide by conjugate. So here it is in the numerator, so multiply and divide by conjugate of numerator. If the problem which has rational powers in this in denominator, multiply and divide by conjugate of denominator. If both numerator and denominator contains irrational powers, that is rational powers, then multiply and divide by conjugate for numerator as well as conjugate for denominator. I will explain that type of problem in some other video. Thank you.